Have you tried every diet, every workout, and still feel stuck with stubborn belly fat that just won't go away? What if the real problem isn't your willpower, but your liver? Most people don't realize that when your liver is overloaded with toxins and not functioning properly, it actually blocks your body's natural fat-burning process. Instead of burning fat for energy, your body stores it, making weight loss feel impossible. That's why HepatoBurn was created. It's a natural science-backed formula designed to support liver health, detoxify your body, and reignite your metabolism. With carefully selected plant-based ingredients, HepatoBurn helps your body do what it's meant to do: burn fat more efficiently, boost your energy, and improve digestion. Users report feeling lighter, more energetic, and more confident. Imagine looking in the mirror a few weeks from now and actually seeing the difference. A slimmer waistline, a more energized body, and the motivation to keep going on your health journey. Thousands of people have already experienced the benefits of HepatoBurn. They've discovered that when you take care of your liver, weight loss becomes easier, energy comes back, and daily life feels lighter and healthier. If you're tired of struggling with stubborn fat and low energy, it's time to support your body at the root cause. Start your transformation today with HepatoBurn and let your liver work with you instead of against you. Click the link in the description to learn more and take the first step toward a healthier, more energized you.